Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Of course, we're sharing the journey of Tidra Chateau. And so I've had some time to think about my whole 3-year home renovation journey. A very physical journey, but one that was very much aligned with my spiritual journey and the lessons that I learned. I had time to process all of that. So as I thought of sharing this reveal with you, I was reminded of, the beauty of restoration. I want us to take a look at this floor. Look at this floor. It's worn, it's torn, it's battered, it's tattered. But by the end of this video, you will notice that it was restored, or one would say it was renewed. And it's the same thing when we look over our lives. God restores the places in our lives where we feel tired, where we feel forgotten, or even sometimes overlooked. I don't know about you, but I have been there. But Jesus tells us in Revelation 21 verse 5, "Behold, I am making all things new." And this reveal here is a reminder that God is always working, even in the unseen places and spaces of our lives. This Christmas season is not just about decorating a house or just indulging in rituals or mere festivities. We should recognize that it's about letting God refresh our hearts as well. Remember the before footage. The floors looked far gone, but as you can see now, every board was restored, every crack was filled, and every room was made new. Every detail was paid attention. This is a picture of God's ongoing grace at work in us. Now, when I really understood what the Lord was doing, even in my spiritual life that was, very much so physical, this is where Proverbs 24 verses 3 to 4 comes alive. And it says, "By wisdom a house is built, and by understanding it is established. By knowledge its rooms are filled with rare and beautiful treasures." Now I want us to understand that it is not treasures that you can buy. Rather, it's treasures you live. The peace, the joy, laughter, forgiveness, and love. Which brings us to this beautiful scripture in Psalm 127 verse 1. "Unless the Lord builds this house, those who build it labor in vain." So yes, we can sand the floors or lay pre-made floors. We can paint the walls and even hang lights. But let us not forget that it is God who makes this place a home. So you are looking at my brand new floors. You're looking at a painted wall. You are looking at restored window frames. But just as we were able to restore those worn out floors, these tired walls, as you would have seen in the earlier videos, just as how we were able to create something aesthetically beautiful, it's the very same way God works in us. So I pray this Christmas that our homes will be filled with peace. It will be filled with joy and the warmth of God's presence this Christmas. I pray that every single step you take as you go through these days of Christmas, I pray that it reminds you that God's love is the firm foundation we stand on today, and it will be the same foundation that we stand on always. Hey guys, welcome to my humble abode. Just another update. You guys can see I have floors. I got floors. Yeah, we're in our final, the final stretch. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you guys in the next video. Love and blessings.